Rescue truck, save the day. We going to save all animals in the forest. Let's go! Ole! You! Dun, 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 dun. We going now in the truck. Ole! I am Dingo, and this is my rescue truck. This my rescue truck is so fast. It is fast that it can go faster than speedy bombers. Did they try to follow? So who's the speed? Then the truck go faster. The good truck go. Okay, bye bye. Ole, save the animals. What we found here, my rescue truck is very strong. It is so strong that it can help remove the great big rock out of the way. Here's behind the rock is some Chili Charlie family. Yeah, they could say, help, 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 help me. They go hear the voice. Okay, I think some animals stuck behind the rock. Let's go, we come to help them. He take the rope, he tie the rock, and he pull. Now he will drive strong to remove the rock. Already go, let's go, go. In the end, Ay, hooray! We rescue Mommy Chinchale and her family. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Hey, we saved the Chili Chale. Now we go around the forest. We see anyone need help. Oh, what we found here. My rescue truck is very useful and so useful that it can help me to rescue the sloth by moving this fallen branch. The sloth, oh, please help me. I want to stand. Can you move this branch? It's full down on me. It's broken from him. Whee! Poof, on him. So he cannot move. Digo, of course I can help you. My truck is very strong. Okay? He pulled the rope and he tied the branch. Okay, now we forward, reverse the truck and we pull the branch. Let's go. Hey, hooray! Great job! We rescued the sloth. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hey, he's very happy. We go around. We see anyone need help. La 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 la. We bring all the sloth and all animals need help, but we going where? Best of all, my rescue truck is big. It's so big that can help to carry all the animals we rescued. Do you know where are we going? Where are we going? Woo! What's this house? Who's this one? We don't know. We have to find. Who's this? Oh, it's Dora! Dora! We going to Dora house. And we found the end. We nice story. Do you want to read the story again? Okay, we read it again. It is my rescue truck. Save the day. Now we are going to save the truck. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. My name is Dico and this is my rescue truck and his is bed. Hi, hi, how, how. The truck is very fast. It is faster than Speedy Thomas. Woo! I show you how the speed. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Was very fast. Go rescue truck. Go, 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 go. Now we found. I heard some voice behind the rock. The Chili Charlie family. They say, "Help! Help! Please need help!" Oh, stop the truck! I can hear something. My rescue truck is very strong. It is so strong that can help me to move the great big rock out of the way. Okay, I am helping you. He bring the rope and he tie the rock and he pull. Let's go pull. 1, 2, 3, pull. Hey! The Chinchali family very happy. Yay! Thank you so much. Hooray! We rescue Mommy and Chinny Charlie and her family. Hey! Thank you so much. You rescue me. Okay, you can come on the truck and we go to the rescue house. Now, oh, what we hear? I hear voices. Help! Help! The branch broken. Then he fell down on the sloth. The sloth he cannot stand because it's lazy animal. You see, help me, please. Digo say, of course I will help you. My rescue truck is very useful. It is so useful that can help me to rescue the sloth by moving the fallen branch. Okay, I tie the branch in the truck and I pull by this. Pull, 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 pull. Hey, hooray! Good, great job. We rescued the sloth. Thank you for saving me. Okay, now let's go. We found anyone need help. Come to sloth to carry you. We're going to rescue house. Best of all, my rescue truck is so big. So big that can help me to carry all the animals we rescue. Do we know where we're going? To rescue house and our Dora waiting for us. Hey, is Dora there? Okay, let's go. Thank you. The story ends. Good night. We read already 2 times for you. Good night. My rescue truck.